Hello, I am Esther. Today I am taking you to Sorrento. That is a nice place in the Gulf of Naples. Sorrento is known for the landscapes, for the sea, for the song Torna Sorrento, and for the lemons. And with the lemons of Sorrento, we can make limoncello. It is very important to use organic lemons because we will use the yellow part of the lemon peel. I have 5 big lemons that I washed under some cold water and towel dry, and now with a potato peeler I'm taking off just the yellow part of the lemon peel. Be careful not to take the white part because it will give a bitter taste to your limoncello. If you want, you can use the same recipe to make arancino, using oranges instead of lemons. Obviously, you don't have to throw away the lemons. Squeeze them right after taking away the zest and use it to make lemonade or any other things. You can also put the lemon juice in a mold and freeze it to use it when you need it. Put the lemon zest in a jar big enough to contain a liter of liquid. I'm using ethylic alcohol at 96%. I know that it is not available in all countries, so if you check the info box, I will try to give you some alternatives. Fill the jar with half a liter of alcohol, close it, and let it rest in a dark place for a couple of days. For the recipe, we don't need to let it rest for longer. Just 2 days is enough. After 2 days, add 200 milliliters of boiling water. Close the jar and let it rest for another 2 days. The hot water will dissolve the oils that are in the lemon zest and will give a splendid aroma to your limoncello. Now it's time to make a syrup, boiling together 400 milliliters of water and 300 grams of sugar. Let the syrup cool down and add it to the liquid you drained from the zest. Your limoncello is ready. All you have to do now is to put it in bottles and let it rest for at least 2 months before drinking. Salute! Goodbye!